you can install this application, and it will allow you to actually run your data collector from the desktop computer. It's called MyMobiler, and you can find it at www.mymobiler.com. Just download the exe file or the zip file. If you download the zip file, you'll just have to unzip it first. So if you got broadband speed, I would recommend just downloading the exe file. Once you and this is a freeware program, so it doesn't cost you anything. So it's a really handy tool. So let's go ahead and get started installing it. Once you download it, I downloaded it to my desktop here. So after you have it downloaded, you need to have your device connected. So if you would want to connect up your Surveyor Plus or Mini or whatever to the computer with a USB cable, and that should start up your ActiveSync. Once ActiveSync is up and running and you're shown as connected, you can minimize that. Just double click on the MyMobiler exe file, and that'll start the install process. Click on Run for the security warning, and then we just start into a normal setup process. So just read through the stuff as you wish. Next, and the license agreement, I agree. Where you want it installed, install. And it has added a MyMobile folder on my desktop here, and I click on Finish, and now it asks me if I want to launch MyMobiler. I'll say yes. And if the screen doesn't pop up, look down here in your running processes and double click on that, and now we see the remote screen. My screen's doing funky things right now. There we go, cleared up. Sleep. And I actually can tap on the screen. As you see, it changes as I'm tapping on the actual data collector screen. So we can monitor what we're doing here on the remote device, or we can actually run the remote device from the desktop. So now I'm clicking on it with the mouse and actually running the remote device from my desktop computer. And we see the little icon here on our remote device showing us that we're connected. Up here are a few tools that you can use. You can change the skins and rotate the screen, and that actually rotates it on the device. I did that by accident. You can record video, so if you want to do a training or something like that, actually we can click on this button right here to make it like full screen so we see more of the real estate. So I just started Windows Serve CE, and we can watch it running on our desktop, so it's a really good way to demonstrate to other crew members how to run Serve CE in the office, possibly on a rainy day or something. Or if you just don't want to work on the little screen on the data collector and you need to import, export, and do some file transfer and stuff like that, you can do it from your desktop without even having to tap on the screen or type any of those buttons or anything. So it's a really good tool. I highly recommend it.